Alrighty, this is the chicken head. A couple different positions for the chicken head. You'll see in its upward facing position. Got a great positive hold. And then turned in downward facing position, actually got a pinch. The pinch feels a lot like a sloper. Great hold, the chicken head. Chicken heads are really common here in the Southeast where Porta-Hang is based. There's a lot of them all over the place. The chicken head. Lots of different ways to use chicken heads. If you're outside, sometimes chicken heads can easily be turned into a nice rest hold, and you can practice that in your training. And it's upward facing. And in the downward facing position, we're going to mostly have a pinch. Monopocket. Monopockets everywhere on these. Limestone. But it's a chicken head.